Good morning, students. I am Dalbir Singh, faculty in Department of Pharmacy, Government Polytechnic, Uttawad. Students, today we will discuss about antiseptics and disinfectants. What do you understand by antiseptics? Actually, antiseptics and disinfectants are the chemical agents or chemical compounds which are used to destroy or inhibit the growth of pathogenic microorganisms. The term antiseptic is described as a chemical agent which is used to destroy or inhibit the microorganism on living tissues and such like as mucous membrane, skin and other local areas. While disinfectant is the chemical agent which is used to destroy or kill the microorganisms on non-living surfaces like floors, toilets, etc. And according to the property of the disinfectants, disinfectant may be classified into bactericidal, sporocidal, virucidal and fungicidal. There are some terms which you may know such as sterilization. What is sterilization? Sterilization is the complete removal or destruction of all living microorganisms by some methods like hot air sterilization. What is hot air sterilization? It is the killing of microorganism by supplying of hot air and such as hot air oven. Second, you may sterilize the microorganisms by moist air sterilization, and a very good example is autoclave. And sterilization may be done by filtration method, by removing the bacteria by filtering of the solutions, such as a very good example such as RO. You may know RO is reverse osmosis process, which is used to clean the water and free the water from the tedious total dissolved salts and from the bacteria and other microorganisms. And some other methods of sterilization is also chemical sterilization, which is done by using the chemical agents such as alphenolic compounds and aldehydes, proflavin and chlorocresol. These are the chemical agents which are used as antiseptics and disinfectants. And sterilization may also be done by using radiation method. Radiation such as UV radiations, etc., X-ray radiations, etc. In RO, you may also see that it contains one membrane and also contains one UV chamber. In the UV chamber, the microbes which are such as virus, which are very small in size, can pass through the filters. So these viruses may be killed by the UV light. So these are all the various methods of sterilization, which is very much used in the pharmaceutical companies. And other term is preservatives. The preservative is used to prevent the microbial spoilage of preparation in pharmaceutical industries. So preservative must be used to reduce the pathogenic microorganisms in acceptable number. इसके अलावा there are many antiseptic disinfectants which are used in day by day, such as in soaps. You have seen the ads, Dettol. It kills 99 point something bacteria. आप कहना Dettol का नहाना, so that contains these kind of antiseptics in that, ना. उसके अलावा toothpaste, आपने you have seen the ad, आपने कभी आपके पेस्ट में नमक है? What is salt? Namak. That is sodium chloride. It contains a chloride which will act as a antimicrobial agent. It kills the microbes by halogenation method. इनके अलावा many creams हैं जो आप जैसे चोट पे लगाते हो, लोशंस हैं सच एज बीटाडीन लोशन एंड सेवलॉन मार्केट में अवेलेबल, डिटॉल लोशन मार्केट अवेलेबल है ना। तो दीज आर यूज्ड एज ए एंटीसेप्टिक्स एंड डिसइंफेक्टेंट्स, and there are many kinds of other chemical disinfectants such as and antiseptics such as alcohols. Many numbers of alcohols are available in the market such as ethanol, isopropyl alcohol and methylated spirit etc. and some aldehydes. आज के जैसे कोरोना का टाइम है, हम क्या करते हैं, बार बार ऐड आती है आप अपने हाथ सैनिटाइज करें. It means you have to clean your hands which are free from the dirt and microorganisms. ठीक है, तो soap also contains such kind of antimicrobial agents or which is antiseptic in nature. इसके अलावा हम क्या है, जगह जगह सैनिटाइजेशन मशीन होती हैं और अपने हैंड वॉश करते हैं उसके नीचे, है ना, अल्कोहल से. डॉक्टर्स भी यूज करते हैं बिफोर गोइंग टू सर्जिकल प्रोसीजर. दे यूज टू स्टरलाइज देयर हैंड्स विद दीज एंटीसेप्टिक्स सच एज आइसोप्रोपाइल अल्कोहल एंड इथेनॉल. 70% इथेनॉल एंड आइसोप्रोपाइल अल्कोहल इज यूज्ड एज ए एंटीसेप्टिक्स. थैंक यू.